Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, this isn't actually a Divi video per se, this is actually an Elementor site. And if you've seen this notification, you'll know what this video is about. Basically, this site is stuck in what they call maintenance mode. This can happen for various reasons. It usually happens after an update. And what causes it is when you update your plugins, or WordPress or whatever, WordPress will actually create a little file called maintenance, and while that file's in there, you're going to get this message. Sometimes when the update's complete, it doesn't actually delete that file. And to fix this, we just need to go in and delete that file. And it's going to reside in your file manager. So if you go to your cPanel, if you have a cPanel, if you don't, just contact your hosting provider. You should be able to get into the back end of your WordPress somewhere. So if we go to File Manager, it'll take us here. Usually your WordPress files will reside in the public HTML right there. So let's double click on that, and that'll take us right here. And this is where you'll find your maintenance file. Now I haven't got one here because this isn't the site we were looking at. My actual site we were looking at here is on localhost, so I can't demo that on a file manager for you. But here's my localhost files right here. And as you can see, there's that maintenance. So I'm going to simply go in, I'm going to delete that maintenance file. And like I say, you do exactly the same thing if it was here. You'd select it. And once you've selected it, you can hit the delete button at the top there. Okay, so now that I've deleted that, let's go back to our little site here and refresh it. And we're back to our WordPress dashboard here. So a little short and sweet video for you there. If you do have that problem, that is the way to solve it. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.